Now we have a concept called time distribution. Till now you've seen something called automatic time conversions, where you are able to map a lower level time characteristic to a higher level. So based on the date, it was able to calculate year or month or period or whatever it is based on automatic time conversions. But what if I have a scenario that, say, in the source I have a planning data. Let's say I'm extracting some planning data where the planning is done on the month level, monthly. They say for this product, for the month of January, my revenue should be 31,000. That's my planning. But in BW, they say I would like to have my reporting to be done at the date level. So my source is giving me month, but in the cube I want date. Now in this case, I want a mapping from a higher level time characteristic to what? Lower level. When you are going with lower level to higher level, you're doing with you just drag and drop, and it's taking care of automatic time conversions. In a scenario where you're mapping a higher level time characteristic to lower level, that's where we use time distribution. But the goppa logic ఏముండదు. If I say నేను అడుగుతానన్నా జనవరి మంత్కి 31,000 అనుకో, డే వైజ్ ఎంత ఉంటాను ఏం చేస్తాను ఇవ్వడంతే మ్యాక్సిమం పాసిబిలిటీ ఇస్ దట్. దాని మించి నువ్వు చెప్తా, దాని మించి యూ కెన్ నెవర్ గివ్ ఎనీథింగ్. If the business doesn't have the data, how would I generate a data for? Last possibility I can give them is what? Total planned value divided by number of days. Equal I'll divide for every day. That is what maximum I can do. And most of the time business are happy with that. So to do that we call that as time distribution. But generally what happens is, see, as it is, if I go to my time and say change rule details, I don't have this something like time distribution here. Okay, so what happens? You only have the time distribution in the old 3.x flow. We had it. You build 3.x flow and then migrate that flow to 7 flow. At 3.x we had something like data source, info source, transfer rules, update rules, all this. In update rules, we had that flexibility of time distribution. We'll use time distribution 3.x flow, then migrate the complete flow to what? 7. So now I'm going to do that. So you'll get used to even 3.x flow, how do they load? You get used to that also. Okay? Just simple example. For that I already have, let me show you. So when you want to work with 3.x flow, go into RSA1 old. RSA1 is new one. When you want to work with 3.x flow, get into RSA1 old. Yeah. I already have my cube ready. Z time. Yeah. Look at this. In this time, I have got date. I have got a product, material, and I have got what is this? Demand. Let's see in the source, they are planning their demand on the month level, but in the cube, I want it at day level. See how do I create this. Now you won't load this cube with 3.x flow from flat file. I already have the flat file also. Desktop, video sharing, all files. There's some time. I took this material, month, and then what is this? Text. February 28,000 exam. So this is a file which I've got already ready. This file I need to load it to my cube with 3.x flows. Simple, see, I have cube. First thing is, if you got load with 3.x flow, you'll have to create something called info source. But it's just simple, okay. Create info source. I'll give same Z time. See, this is info source. Normal info source will have communication structure. Go to source, transfer, and if you remember the info bit names, I can type in. If not, I can just choose my template. I want to choose the cube. Which cube? Z. So it will show me all the info bits what is there in the cube. I want the same thing for my info source. Okay. but what I want is slightly different. This date will not be there. What is my file structure? Middle month demand, right? I think I need to move this. Material, and then I'll use 0 cal month as my info object for month. Actually, when you build info source, info source is nothing but set of info objects what we use in BW to communicate with fields coming from source. Basically, you're defining something called, what is this here? Info source will define something called communication structure. Nothing but info objects what is required to communicate with the fields coming from source. Yeah, just activate. Yes. So with 3.xflow you don't create data source explicitly. When you say assign, it creates automatically. Now right click on this and say what? Assign data source. What is the source system? Flat test and it creates. That time does not exist. Okay. Explorer. Is it not active? I cannot use the name Z time here. I'll say I'll use something like Y time here. Copy of it. Now right click and say assign data source with flat file so and so. Yes. Now you get to see transfer structure here, and you see something called what is transfer rules mapped here. You can delete and see here. Now material, I want to map this year, month to month. I want to map this. Activate my rules. Now I need to connect this info source to my cube. What is update rules? In 3.x, instead of transformations, we are using something called transfer rules and update rules. Now if I go to this, here I see mapping of time. It's cal day. What is my, I should use, what is here? Time distribution. Go in here. Which one will I use now? Cal month. Now for distributing, should I use normal calendar or any specific factory calendar? Factory is specific to business. That's it. Activate. Now I have the complete flow ready. Let me just create info package. Now let us select the file. Because I didn't meant to teach you all this, okay, but CSV file, comma, that's fine. So number of headers to be ignored 1. Processing of this. Say save. But I just built this 3.x flow just for that time distribution. But I want to convert this to 7 flow now. Yeah. How do I convert? Very simple now. Go to RSA1. Search for this cube. What is Z time? See, you see all the old objects: info source, update rules, transfer rules, data source. This update rules, info source, transfer rules, data source, info package. And when you see small square, it means it's what? 3.x flow. So I have to migrate it completely. How do I migrate this complete flow? Right click on this cube. You have option of what is this option? Migrate data flow to 7 compatible. Though there is no DDP also, it will create DDP now. You can use this menu like this, or you can use a T code RS migrate also. Click on migrate data flow. Okay. You want to migrate this cube and just ask you to create a project. Okay. Just MIG0001, some name of the project, create. Yeah. What all objects you want to migrate? I want to migrate data source, info package, everything has to be migrated. Okay, first, and click on save. And click on the button what? Migration and recovery. Enable everything. Yes, you should delete info source, everything, complete migration. Okay. Now all these transfer rules, everything will get migrated as transformations now, completely. The checkbox is what I select, just read through. That's not a big thing. Should I create new info source? Should I convert update rules to transfer? Yes. Done was. If I refresh, it's all migrated. Now do you see small squares or no? Do you see small squares was? No. And do I have DDP also now? And only thing is it is 7 flow but using info source. Even in 7 I can use info, but info is not mandatory, that's it. Yeah? Now if I go to this transformation, this is transformation or rules now? Is this update rules or transformations? Transformation. Now do you see this time conversion? If I go normal, I don't get this option out. Got my point? Yeah. So now let's trigger the info package, which will bring to data source. Fail in there. Access to the file. I kept the file open. Let me delete that bad request. See, in the first transformation nothing happened, but in the second transformations, what is 2 records are moved to what? 59 records. Why? Month is split into what? Date. All January it gets what? 1000. For Feb it gets as what? 1000. This is what time distribution is. So that's what build 3.x and migrate. There is no direct option given yet. Okay, boss. So this is time distribution. But this is a very rare scenario.